Weather update as of September 30, 2023 9 a.m. Subject, Koinu. Jenny heading towards Taiwan, enhances southwest monsoon. Tropical storm Koinu, Jenny, spotted near 131 east and 15.3 north, approximately 1,000 and 110 kilometers from Basco, Batanes, na may 65 up to 90 km per hour wind speed at gumagalaw ng west-northwest to northwest sa bilis na 10 to 15 km per hour. Sa initial 5 days trajectory, Koinu, Jenny, posibleng magiging super typhoon habang nasa loob ng Philippine Area of Responsibility o sa Philippine Sea bago tatama o maglandfall sa Taiwan sa October 5 at nagbabanta rin ito sa mga isla ng Babuyan at Batanes. Hindi ito inaasahan na direktang tatama o maglandfall sa bansa, pero hahatakin nito ang southwest monsoon o habagat na magpapaulan sa Visayas at Luzon including Palawan, with light to moderate rains na may kasamang thunderstorms. May mga cyclogenesis o maliit na sirkulasyon sa South China Sea, West Philippine Sea, at Pacific Ocean, Philippine Sea, na posible magiging potential na storm system o bagyo, pero sa ngayon, wala pang nakikitang direktang tatama sa bansa.
Disclaimer bilang independent weather forecasting page, gamitin lamang ito bilang reference page. Donate any amount at GCash number 0945-322-4311 to improve our forecasting in the near future. Stay safe. Like, share, follow.